What you eat can immediately impact your erection. A very simple nighttime snack that you can eat to boost your erection strength, calm your nerves so that you won't fumble and mess it all up, help you have quality sleep through the night, support higher testosterone levels, and a healthy prostate. First, let's start with the fact that bananas contain an amino acid called tryptophan. Now, your body uses tryptophan to produce neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters, they are the baseline for healthy sex cycles. Serotonin can help with mood and decrease anxiety, right? For those of you with performance anxiety. If you're a grump, you know who you are. You won't feel like having sex. So serotonin can help you with that. But also low serotonin levels have been associated with premature ejaculation. So imagine that. You can eat your way out of that situation.